right here in this video, I'm going to show you how to get connected to your top surveys. That is, if you actually want to go ahead to download the app. A lot of us have actually asked questions like, am I to use VPN? Okay, now I want to download the top survey on my device. What am I supposed to do? Now I'm going to be showing you what you're supposed to do to download the top survey app. That is, if you want to go ahead to download the app. Okay, but first of all, before I proceed with this video, if you are coming to this channel for the first time, or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaquin. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews, and also earn for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please go ahead to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch. Now, with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial of today. Now, when you come right here, you are going to be seeing location changer. This is it. So once you click on this and you go over to your location changer, let me show you how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. So this is how it's going to look like. Let it load so I can show you what you are supposed to see. So most times ads will display, just click on it, just click out. So you can see this button that is showing start. You can come right here and click on start, but before you can click on start, you need to become a developer. Now, how do you become a developer? Let me see right here. You can see it says you need to enable mock location. Select mock location app on your device from developer options in your Android. Now go to settings and you will locate developer option. So you need to become a developer. Right here, I've actually become a developer, or it's going to direct you to where you can actually become a developer. Now when you come right here, it's going to ask you to locate the developer option. Now, how do you locate this developer option? You're going to come right here and you're going to be seeing some features you can actually click to see the developer option. Right here, you can actually see we have select mock location app. Okay, so most of your device, you can actually come down and you see select mock location app. So come right here and select this particular option, then click on your location changer. So you can see right here that you have actually selected that as your mock location. Okay, as your mock location changer. Look at it right here, select mock location changer. Now once you've done that, come back to your location changer. Let's go back to our location changer. You come back to your location changer and you will actually see, most times you see it running automatically because you've actually done what you're supposed to do. So let's keep this ad. So come right here and click on start. So it's asking us to get this. So this is what you're going to be getting when it says you would like to get premium for free or for 4 hours. Watch this short ad until the end. Premium will remove all ads, unlock up to 1000 multiple pins, location favorite, and location history, location blah blah blah. So the main aim is that you're not going to be paying for this. Now if you want to go ahead to get the premium of your location changer, you will actually have to click on yes. But what we do right here is that we go on to show reg ads. That is, you're going to be watching ads to have this for free instead of paying for the premium. For some of us that actually have money to get the premium, you can go ahead, but I don't think getting the premium with your funds is actually advisable. So since you can actually watch just one ad and you'll be getting this package, this premium for free, you can go ahead to just click on show reg ad. So I'm going to click on this and an ad is going to display and I'm going to proceed with this. So right now I just click on show reg ad. So right now the ad is done, so I'm going to click on this and I'm going to close this. Now when you come right here, you can actually see it actually started running. As you can see, the button shows stop. So right here you can see currently I am on my location changer, so it is turned on. Now the next thing I want to do is to head over to my Google Play Store. Now I showed us on how we can actually download apps that are not in your region. Okay, I've made videos on that, and I also made a video on top surveys if you're actually watching this video for the first time. So what we are going to be doing is to come right here and type top survey. So I actually showed us on how we can get apps that are not in our region. Right now you can actually see that I've actually turned my location changer on, and I need to do one other thing. So what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to go over to my VPN or my proxy, but I'll advise you go over to use a proxy. So I'm going to come right here, come over to my super proxy. Your proxy also needs to be turned on, so I'm going to click on start. So right now my proxy is actually turned on. All right, so my location changer is turned on and my proxy is also turned on. So what I'm going to do is to type top survey. make sure you've registered. Make sure you've registered with the process I showed in my previous video, so you don't have issues while doing this. So I'm going to click on install. So I'm going to be installing the top survey right now. So it's actually installing. So right now I'm going to show you the process of which you can have the top survey app on your device without any issues. Now you're going to be getting more advantage of using the app on your device, because you actually are going to be having easy access whenever you want to take your service. So right now we are done installing it. The next thing I want to do right now is to go ahead to open the top surveys and show you some other things you also need to do while taking your service. Now note that you need to register with the first process I showed in the previous video on how to get started with top surveys. Like I said in my previous video, you need to set up an account before adding or before downloading or before having access to the top survey app. Now this is the app. We already have an account. What we are going to be doing is to sign in. Okay, so you can see the process right here. So what we're going to do right now is to insert the email address you used in setting up an account for yourself. So I'm going to input that right here, and I'm going to click on continue. Now a password is required, so I'm going to insert my password right here also. So you can follow this process and get your account inside the app. So I've inserted my password, so I'm going to click on log in. Alright, so right now you can see that I have actually logged in. Alright, I've actually logged into this particular survey on my device. As you can see right now, the same £1 we have yesterday on the video I made, the same £1 I still have on my account. This is to show you that I've actually downloaded the app. I first of all set up an account via the web and actually used the app to continue this process. Now one of my students sent a proof of how he was able to make £4 just yesterday. So you also can do that. I explained in full details in my previous video on how you can set up your account and proceed. Now there's some other things some of us are asking about this platform, which I'm going to be clearing us about. Okay, so I already showed you how to take surveys on top survey, so I'm not going to be doing that right in this video. So I'm going to come over to my account right here, and you can see right here that you can also loot. Now what does looting means? Now let's come over to the referral system so some of us can see what we tend to get. Now when you come over to refer a friend, once you click on that, you can actually see that refer and get rewarded. When someone signs up using your link, you earn 10% commission on their survey earnings. Your friend's income remains the same. Now you're going to be getting benefits of you looting. Now what does looting means? Looting means actually using your main account link to register multiple accounts. You can do that yourself, registering yourself multiple times and having access to those accounts. Now if you actually have multiple emails, as this does not require you to put in a virtual number to set up an account for yourself, go ahead to loot so you can get benefits on your main account. Now this is your invitation code, which can be giving you benefit to what you're referring to. Now right here you can see this is the money earned through referrals, and this is the number of referred people you are going to be seeing right here. The reason why I'm not going to be adding my referral link is because some of you will want to sign up on this platform without using a strong VPN or a strong proxy, and that might actually affect my account. Now the other ways you can use to maximize rewards right on this platform is to come down to redeem bonus code. Now if you actually want a redemption code that can actually give you bonus on your account, you can go down in this video and comment that, and I'm going to be sending you the code to get a redemption code to get some exclusive benefits also for yourself. Now effortlessly, ways to get promo code are also to keep an eye on their social media channels, which is their Telegram channel and their WhatsApp group. Now you can actually get some promo codes on their platforms, and that is going to allow you inside those codes right here. Now whenever those codes drops in the channel, make sure you quickly get them and come right here inside those codes and click on confirm. Then you are going to be getting rewards for yourself. So this is how you can actually set up your account on top surveys and also use the app on your device. I hope this video was helpful, and if this video was helpful, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where you can actually get some daily tips and also platforms that can actually show you a specific ways you can use to boost your online presence in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.